Big Data Analytics Market Forecast 2032. Why businesses are investing now. Imagine a world where data isn't just stored but transformed into powerful insights that can reshape industries. That's the rapid reality of the big data analytics market today. Valued at $284.3 billion in 2023, this market is predicted to soar to a staggering $842.6 billion by 2032, thanks to relentless advancements in data processing technologies, the boom in predictive analytics, and a massive surge in data generated by digital transformation across practically every sector. Why is this happening? Think about the explosion of information from devices connected to the Internet of Things, the growing complexity of customer preferences, and companies' hunger for smarter decision-making tools. Industries like finance, healthcare, retail, and manufacturing are pouring billions into big data analytics, aiming to outmaneuver competitors, streamline operations, and enhance customer experiences. Coupled with this is the rise of cloud computing, making data analytics more scalable and affordable, helping businesses handle vast amounts of data without breaking the bank. Still, challenges such as data privacy issues and the need for talented analysts remain, but these hurdles are not slowing down the momentum. For those looking to stay ahead in this data-driven world, understanding the giants in the field, leading companies like IBM, Microsoft, Google, Amazon Web Services, Oracle, and SAP, becomes crucial. They provide cutting-edge tools and platforms, from AI-powered analytics to cloud solutions, shaping the future of business intelligence. In a nutshell, this market's growth isn't just a trend, it's a revolution, with endless possibilities for those ready to harness the power of data. Want to get a peek at the full landscape? Access the detailed report and see how your industry can ride this wave of data innovation into the future.